Hi everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Winter is a magical time, but it also means taking extra care of our little ones. From cozy layers to keeping their delicate skin happy, we're here to help you navigate the chilly season with confidence. Get ready for 10 essential winter care tips that will keep your baby warm, healthy, and oh so comfortable all winter long. When it's chilly outside, think layers. Just like you put on your sweaters and coats, babies need layers too. Start with a soft onesie as the base layer. Then add warmer clothes like shirts, pants, and sweaters on top. Remember, it's easier to remove layers if your baby gets too warm. A good rule of thumb is to dress your baby in one more layer than you're comfortable wearing. So if you have on a shirt and a sweater, your baby might need a onesie, shirt, and sweater. And don't forget those tiny toes and fingers. Socks and mittens are a must to keep those extremities cozy. Winter air can be dry, and that can make your baby's skin dry too. To keep their skin soft and smooth, make sure to moisturize regularly. Choose a gentle, hypoallergenic lotion or cream that's specially formulated for babies. Apply it after bath time and as needed throughout the day, especially on areas prone to dryness like cheeks, elbows, and knees. And remember, a little goes a long way. Gently massage the moisturizer into your baby's skin until it's absorbed. Just like dry air can affect your baby's skin, it can also dry out their nasal passages. This can make it harder for them to breathe comfortably. Using a humidifier in your baby's room can add moisture back into the air, making it easier for them to breathe. Be sure to clean the humidifier regularly according to the manufacturer's instructions to prevent mold and bacteria growth. Bath time is a great way to keep your baby clean and warm during the winter months. But remember, babies lose heat more quickly than adults, so it's important to make sure the bath water isn't too hot. Aim for a water temperature that feels comfortably warm to your elbow. You can test it with your wrist or the inside of your forearm. Keep bath time short and sweet and have a warm towel ready to wrap your baby in as soon as they're out of the tub. Staying hydrated is essential year-round, but it's especially important during the winter months when the air is dry. If you're breastfeeding, your baby will get all the hydration they need from your milk. If you're formula feeding, follow your pediatrician's recommendations for how much formula to give your baby based on their age and weight. You can also offer your baby a few sips of water from a sippy cup if they seem thirsty. Winter winds can be harsh, especially on your baby's delicate skin. When you're venturing out on chilly days, be sure to protect your baby's face from the wind. A stroller cover or blanket can help shield your baby from the elements. If you're carrying your baby, you can use a sling or carrier with a hood to keep their head and face covered.
Know you've been a good friend.
Remember those tiny fingers and toes? They're especially vulnerable to the cold. Make sure to keep your baby's hands and feet covered when you're outdoors. Mittens are a must-have for keeping those little hands warm. Opt for mittens that are easy to put on and take off, and choose a size that's snug but not too tight. Warm socks are essential for keeping those little feet cozy. Choose socks made from breathable materials like cotton or wool. It's tempting to pile on the blankets to keep your baby warm, but heavy blankets can pose a suffocation risk. Instead, opt for lighter blankets and layers of clothing. When choosing blankets for your baby's crib, look for lightweight, breathable materials like cotton or muslin. Avoid using loose blankets, pillows, or stuffed animals in the crib, as these can also be suffocation hazards. Maintaining a comfortable room temperature is crucial for your baby's comfort and well-being. Aim for a room temperature between 68 and 72 degrees Fahrenheit. You can use a room thermometer to monitor the temperature and make adjustments as needed. Avoid overheating the room, as this can increase the risk of SIDS. While it's important for babies to get fresh air, it's best to limit their outdoor exposure during the winter months, especially when the temperature drops significantly. If you do venture outside, keep outings short and sweet. Dress your baby in warm layers, protect their skin from the wind, and monitor them closely for signs of discomfort. Thanks for joining us for these essential winter care tips. We hope you found them helpful as you navigate the colder months with your little one. Remember, a little extra care goes a long way in keeping your baby happy, healthy, and comfortable all winter long. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more parenting tips and tricks. Stay warm and cozy, everyone.